Good evening, all.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, today was my math Olympiad.
Oh, great. How was that?
No, like it was very lengthy, like 50 questions in 1 hour.
50 questions in 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
So
it
it
will
was
be
quite lengthy.
it will be like that only.
Yes, sir. Although I did all, but four, five questions I did. I did.
Nice. What about others? Yes, we were in constructions lesson, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how many of you started, like, I just asked you to solve your NCERT. How many of you started doing that? Now, how many have you done with your probability? How many have you done with your probability worksheet?
I started the first worksheet.
Sorry?
I started the first worksheet, but I still need to complete surface area and volume. Like last few are left.
Mhm.
Sir,
Okay.
I haven't
Yeah.
started yet.
Okay, everyone turn on your cameras first. Everyone. Shreyan, Modita, Harini, Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Devasthi. Okay, Shreyan, Mohit, Kazi. Everyone turn on your cameras. Modita, Mohit.
Yes, so 1 second, turning on.
Tell me, Sujay, tell what you have done.
Sir, I've done the first 5 questions.
First 5 questions.
Yes, I haven't completed the probability the worksheet yet.
Only 5. Why?
So I was having exams to this point. I'm done with exams, so I'll start solving more.
Sir, I'm done till 15 questions, sir.
Hmm.
And
What about
then
you?
this,
Aditi,
I
what
mean,
about
in
you?
probability worksheet, sir. And then in this surface area and volume worksheet, I am done with 30 questions.
Mhm. Aditi, what about you? Harini, what about you? Shreyan, what about you? Sorry?
Start yet. To start today.
You didn't start it?
No, sir. I have to start today.
Why?
Actually, I was busy with my school exams. Sir. The bridge course exams, daily tests are going on. So I have got holidays from today, sir. I have to do it.
Okay, from today to
Like Monday, sir. Sunday. Monday I have to go to school.
okay, finish it off today and
Yes,
start
sir.
it today. What about you, Aditi?
Like I almost completed surface area and volumes, and now I started probability also, the first one.
So those who have done with your surface areas and volumes, please post it out in Google Classroom.
Sir, is that the due date is till 27th, right?
Yeah, you can send it before as well, no problem.
Yeah.
If you're done with it, you can send it, no problem. If you still have to do it, you says, but try to submit before or on or before deadline.
Also, the last few problems are left. I'll complete it by today and submit.
Okay. Bhargav, everyone turn on your cameras. I said you have to turn on your cameras. Ahuja, Parth Ahuja, Aditya, Mudita, Shreyan. Shreyan, I think Shreyan is not here. Everyone turn on your cameras. What happened? Yeah. Why are you late? Many of you are late actually. Why? Are you here, children? I'm asking why are you late? Many of you are late. The people who are late, actually, I need a reason. Why? Tell me, are you here or not? I'm asking you people, the people who are late. I'm asking you only. Are you guys here? Why are you late? No one is responding. Tell me, many of you are late. I know their names. Who all are late? I know their names. It will not be good if I reveal your names. Tell me. I think people who have joined now, I think they have left. Okay, solve this question, everyone. Using the protractor, draw the right angle, and then everyone turn on your cameras and draw the. Okay, Akshit.
So can I go get my geometry box?
Yes.
So can I also?
Everyone go with the geometry box only. Everyone just take the geometry box and try to draw it and just show it to me in camera. Everyone, let me see how many of you are drawing. See, I cannot even you can just do something magic and show some fake answers. I don't want to that. I need everyone to be solved. Everyone should show me in online, like now in front of the camera. Everyone. Hope you copied the question. Just everyone turn on your cameras, everyone of you.
So 1 minute, sir. Can you please share it?
Take the question immediately. Like, why you are
Now
late?
can I show the screen?
1 second. Let me just a minute. Let me give you all the questions together. Take the screenshot of these questions together. Take these questions together, everyone. Every one of you.
Sir, could you repeat?
I'm asking you to take the screenshot of these questions and
Now we
solve
should
one by one.
copy the fourth one, right? Using the protractor, draw a right angle and bisect it to get an angle of measure 45 degrees.
Hmm. Sorry, you have to use it.
So we should start doing the fourth one, right? Or the first one.
Start with the fourth one. Just leave about the numbers. Don't bother about these numbers. You just start with the first one. Which is the first one? This is the first one, right? The question which is fluctuating here. That is the first one, right? Start with that question.
Sir, after solving this, we should send to you on WhatsApp.
Everyone should send me in WhatsApp, as well as you have to show it to me now in front of camera. Turn on your cameras. I said the people who are not turning on their cameras, I'm just gonna remove you from the meeting.
Okay. Sir, once can you show again the questions?
How long will you? How long should I show?
1 minute.
Shreyan?
Yes. Sorry. Sir.
Why are you late?
There I'm on time.
No, you are not late. But in taking the questions, why are you late?
Sir, I forgot.
Forgot. Hmm?
Yeah.
Sir, shall we write steps of construction?
Need not to write. Just send me the picture. Actually, send me the
Okay, sir.
picture. Show it to me. Everyone should send me.
Sir, little bit can you show? I almost completed.
No, you take the screenshot, right?
Oh,
I should observe you whether you are doing or not. That's why I'm just off, turning on the screen. Actually, you take the screenshot at a time. All the questions. You take all the questions at a time like this,
Yeah, sir.
please. I should observe you whether you are doing or not. I'm giving only 10 minutes of time. Each question 2 minutes. Each question 2 minutes. Make it fast. Done. Everyone took the screenshot.
Sir, my video will be off. Is it okay?
Your
Yes.
video will not be off. You have to turn on your camera.
So how can I see the questions? Sir?
No. Hello. You can turn on your camera. Still, are you using system or mobile?
Sir, tab, sir. iPad, sir.
Tab. Then did you take the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Then look at the screenshot.
But I should go to photos, no, sir. I should go to another app.
Yeah, if you have to go for another application, would it? Your camera should on only, so nothing will happen. It will not get turned off. I think.
Okay, sir. Yes.
You just go through the question, no problem. Aditya, Modita, Akshit, turn on your camera. Partha Huja.
I completed the first question.
Very good. Very good. Show it to me once. Just keep in front of the camera. One by one. Yes. Send it to me, beta. Send it to me in WhatsApp. What about
So I will do it after the class. Is it fine? Or should I send it now?
No. You just finished all the questions. Send it together. Make it fast. Very good. So Aditi is doing very good. Very good job. What about others? People are not doing.
The first one
Haji.
completed, sir.
Huh?
So first one completed, sir.
I didn't get you.
So first one completed, sir.
Show it to me, the question. I mean, where did you solve that?
So can you see first one? So can you see mine?
Just a minute. One by wait. If I approve, then only you have to just keep your note down. One second, 1 second.
Sir, is it okay?
Oh, just a minute. Yeah, Harini, right answer. How did you do that, Harini?
So I just took the protractor and measured 90
No,
degrees.
Harini, I didn't check yours. Devasri, you just explain. Harini, can you please show that?
Yes, sir.
Keep in front of the camera. I can't say anything. Good, very good. Harini, explain. I mean, Devasri, explain it.
So with the protractor, I took 90 degrees, sir, that is A, B, and C. And afterwards, from point A, I took an arc, and point C, I took an arc. I joined the line from point B, and I marked P, sir.
Very good. You understood that, right?
Yes, sir.
What about Parth Ahuja? Don't turn off your cameras. I should not say anyone turning on your
Sir,
camera.
okay. First sum, can I
I
get
did,
the
sir.
second sum?
Yes, Rayan. Guys, make it fast. Make it 2 minutes, one question. Don't take much time. Last 8 minutes. Sai Akshit, are you here? Modita, are you here? Modita, I'm going to remove you from the meeting actually. Please, you take the permission from your parent and join the class again. Wait a minute.
So 1 minute, can I turn off the camera? So 1 minute, can I turn off my camera? So
Yes, please. Why? Parth Ahuja, you are also not turning on. I'm going to remove you from the meeting. Yes. Akshit, Aditya, are you
Sir,
Sir,
here?
I
can you
need to
see
get
mine?
eraser, sir. So can
See,
I?
I removed people actually. I just
Sir, can you see mine?
yes. Can you
Sir,
show in front of cam once properly? Just keep it. Yes, very good. Right.
Okay, sir.
So people doing just
Sir, can I
don't.
go get an eraser, sir? Because
Yeah, make it
I
fast.
did a
Make it
mistake
fast.
earlier.
You know, don't do all this. You know, you have to get it at the time actually. Akshit, turn on your camera. Akshit, not turning on his camera. Aditya, Ayushman, turn on your camera, or else I'm gonna remove you from the meeting. I removed 3 members as of now. I am removing from the meeting Aditya. Chalo. So I removed 4 members. I'm gonna post a message in the group.
Sir, 1 second, I'll be back. I can't find my smaller pencil.
Okay.
The second sum done. Is it okay? Sir? Are we there?
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Guys, are you able to draw or do you have any doubt?
Sir, I draw second one, sir. Is it correct or wrong? Can you say?
Yeah, just a minute. Can you please, 1 second, can you please keep your notebook somewhat away, Aditi? I think, yeah.
So I
Shreya,
don't
think,
understand how to do second one.
okay, no problem, I'll teach you. Okay, Aditi, I can't see your picture properly. Can you please?
Sir, can I show? Sir.
So, is it visible now?
See, children, be careful when I'm asking you to do something, you must do that. So I asked you guys to turn on your camera. You didn't turn on. I just removed, and you can't be joined back. You can't join me back actually. So you are not allowed to join actually. Once you got removed, that's it. In you have to join with some other device only. Others, I have to wind the session. I have to wind the session. Then I have to start it again. So please make sure that whatever if I'm calling someone, please respond. If your device is not working properly, just try to respond either through message, at least text me in WhatsApp. That would be sufficient. So if you are simply not responding anything, definitely I'm going to remove you from the meeting. Those who got removed from, so they are not joining back actually. They can't join actually. Hope it is clear with everyone. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
And when second and third sums are completed, we will see.
Okay, let me teach you how can we draw the second and third one. Look at this.
Sir, you can teach after the time limit, right, sir?
Sorry.
Sir, you can teach after the time limit, right, sir?
Yeah, no problem. Then go for the next one. But because all the questions are related to triangle, right? So let me teach one question, then you can go for the next one. You understood what I'm trying to say here? Here the questions are related to triangle, that's why. Look at this. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 3.6. Okay, BC is equal to 3.6. So first let me draw BC, which is 3.6 here. BC, which is 3.6. All right. So BC, which is 3.6, I took. So now AB plus AC, which gives me 4.8. AB plus AC. Which means what? Look at this. He has given B 60 degrees. So draw 60 degrees here. How can I draw 60 degrees? How can I draw 60 degrees? For drawing 60 degrees, what I told you, you take some length, draw an arc first like this. Yes or no? The people who, like, for drawing 60 degrees, what I have to do?
So can you show from the start?
Yeah, sorry.
You can first we have to draw the base 3.6 centimeter.
Okay, from this point, take some length. You have this, this is your needle and this is your pencil, right? Take some gap. What just take 1 inch gap, okay? And just draw this arc from this center. Okay? All right?
Yes.
Understood or not?
Yes.
Now for drawing 60 degrees, what I have to do?
So you have to take protractor.
Compass. With the compass, from this point, if I just make an arc with the same length, whatever the length you took, with the same length, if I draw, look at this. If you cut something like this, you will get. Look at this.
Okay.
This is my 60 degrees. Okay.
Okay.
So this is my 60 degrees here. This is my 60 degrees right now. All right. Now look at this. What he has given here, AB plus AC is 4.8. AB plus AC is 4.8. What is A here?
So A will be the top point.
Look at this. This is some ray. Let me say this is. Let me take anything here. Let me take any K. Okay. Okay. This K I took. Now look at it here. So I'm just drawing an arc. I'm just drawing an arc somewhere here. Look at this. I'm drawing an arc with some length. So I'm getting intersection point, right? A. Let me take this as.
So draw that arc with 4.8 centimeters.
Look at 4.8 is what here? AB plus AC, right? So AB plus AC. No, that is different length here. So you can take, look at, I'm just drawing an arc with this length. I'm just taking that point as, I'm taking this point as kuch bhi le lo. I'm taking this as D. Okay. And I'm joining this. I can join that. Okay. So I join DC now. What is the perpendicular bisector of DC now? How can I draw the perpendicular bisector? Draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. Draw the perpendicular. Yes.
Sir, in the third question, sir, can we draw the 45 degrees angle using a protractor, because it's getting a bit difficult to draw, like since
You can
see.
You can always use protractor. Actually, you can use always protractor. You can always use protractor. I just told you the shortcut. If you don't have protractor, still you can draw the angles. That's how I told. But if you have protractor, you use the protractor only. Okay?
So if we use protractor, we can just mark as 60 degrees.
Yeah, exactly. Look at this. Keep your center point here, and you will be having angles over there. The protractor will be like this, right? You mark
Yes,
your
sir.
center like this. 1 second. People are calling me. I don't know who is this.
So that point D with the reference, like we have to keep the compass on point B and we have to draw it.
Sorry.
So the arc D, sir, we need to draw it,
Hmm.
draw with the reference of
See, I have to
point.
drop. I have to draw perpendicular bisector of DC. Perpendicular bisector of DC. How can I draw perpendicular bisector of DC? I'll be taking more than half length, drawing an arc here and there. Look at this. From this, like this. If I join, look at this somewhere. 1 second, children. I'm not exactly getting this. Look at this. So here I'll be getting
Sir,
some.
I got it.
Very good. So this is,
Sir,
let me
I
say
didn't
A.
use this method.
Okay. Anything is fine. Look at join these two now.
Sir, can you show again
1
how to
second.
draw perpendicular? Sir,
Yes.
can you show again how to draw perpendicular?
I didn't get you.
Can you show again how to draw perpendicular?
Just a minute. 1 second. The students are calling. The people who I removed, they are calling me again and again. Just a minute.
Sir, I sent my son.
Okay, Shreyan, let me see. 1 second, children. Yes, tell me how can you draw the perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector
Yes,
can be
sir.
drawn. For suppose you have this. For suppose, look at this here. I'm just taking.
Sir, I'll just be back. I'm offing my camera.
I'm taking, look at here, whatever the thing you have. I'll be taking more than half length. If I have this, let's say the 4, I'll be taking more than half. I'll be taking 3 length. I'll be taking 3 length. I'll be drawing an arc here and arc here with the reference of this point. Again, with the same length from this point, I'll be drawing one more arc like this, one more arc like this, joining these two. That is what my perpendicular bisector. Okay. See, let's say that this is 4 centimeter beta. I'll be taking, this is my needle of your compass. This is my pencil. Okay. This is my pencil I have here. So distance between these two should be more than 2. Let's say 2.5 I took. With that 2.5 length, from this point, I have drawn this arc one side this one. And from this point, I'm just joining these two like this. I got a point of intersection of here and here. I'm joining these two now. Simple. Yes or no? Kaji, understood?
So now we need to take more than half of 3.6, which is nothing but 2, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So after that, what I have done? So I'm just drawing a perpendicular bisector of DC. So I took more than half. So from this point and from this point, look at this. Here, here, and just from this point here and here. If you join these two like this, you will get some point here, which is I took as A. I'm joining these two now. This is what your answer should be. Okay. So children, 1 second. Understood this question? How can we draw this? Understood or not? Everyone?
Once again, can you say?
Make it fast. I'll be winding up the meeting. You have to rejoin me back. People are waiting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I can't join them actually. I have to leave the meeting and restart the meeting again. Immediately, everyone join me.
So from point B, we have taken an arc, sir. From again, which point we need to draw one more arc?
From D and C, I'm drawing a perpendicular bisector of D and C, right?
Yes, sir. But I'm not getting the other side. So.
You're not getting?
the other side, sir. Like the side D we are not getting.
See, what you have to do here is from this point, look at this. From this point, I have drawn an arc like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like this. And with the same point, I'll be drawing like this here arc. And from this point, I'll be drawing like this and like this here. Are I getting my point?
Yes, sir. But
See, from this point, this one, from this point, I'm joining this one. Any doubts?
no, sir.
What you are not getting? Tell me. Yeah, join me back. Actually, everyone join me back. I'm just winding up the meeting. Everyone join me back, please.